Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two popular herbal teas, Moringa tea and cloves tea. We will be discussing their origins, health benefits, and how to prepare them. So let's dive right in. First, let's talk about Moringa tea. Moringa is a tropical plant native to Africa and Asia. Its leaves are commonly dried and used to make tea, which is known for its high nutritional content. On the other hand, cloves tea is made from the flower buds of the evergreen clove tree. Mainly found in Indonesia and other parts of Southeast Asia. Health benefits. Both Moringa and cloves teas have a wide range of health benefits. Moringa tea is rich in antioxidants, vitamins and minerals, making it great for boosting immunity, reducing inflammation, and improving digestion. It's also known to provide natural energy without caffeine jitters. Cloves tea, on the other hand, has antimicrobial properties and can help alleviate digestive issues like bloating and gas. It's also believed to have anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving effects. Preparation. Now let's talk about how to prepare each of these teas. To make Moringa tea, you can use either fresh Moringa leaves or dried Moringa leaf powder. Simply steep a teaspoon of leaves or powder in hot water for about 5-10 minutes, and your Moringa tea is ready. As for cloves tea, you can use whole cloves or ground cloves. Steep a teaspoon of cloves in hot water for 5 to 7 minutes, and you'll have a fragrant and soothing cloves tea. Taste and pairing. In terms of taste, Moringa tea has a slightly earthy and grassy flavor, similar to green tea, while cloves tea has a warm and spicy taste with hints of sweetness. Both teas can be enjoyed on their own, but you can also experiment with adding honey or lemon for added flavor. Conclusion. To sum it up, Moringa and cloves teas offer unique health benefits and can be a great addition to your daily wellness routine. Depending on your preferences and desired health benefits, you can choose between the two or even try both. Remember, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional if you have any specific health concerns or conditions. That wraps up our video for today. We hope you found this comparison between Moringa and cloves tea helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Here's a simple recipe for making Moringa and cloves tea at home. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of dried Moringa leaves or powder, 1 teaspoon of whole cloves, 2 cups of water, honey or lemon, optional for flavor. Instructions. 1. In a small saucepan, bring the water to a boil. 2. Add the dried Moringa leaves or powder and whole cloves to the boiling water. 3. Reduce the heat to low, cover the saucepan, and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. 4. After 10 minutes, remove the saucepan from the heat and let it steep for an additional 5 minutes. Strain the tea into a cup using a fine mesh strainer or a tea infuser. 6. If desired, sweeten the tea with honey or add a squeeze of lemon for flavor. 7. Enjoy your homemade moringa and cloves tea. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you have any health conditions or are taking medications. Both moringa and cloves are generally considered safe when consumed in moderate amounts. However, it's important to note that everyone's body may react differently. Here are a few things to keep in mind. 1. Allergies. Some individuals may have allergies to moringa or cloves. If you have known allergies to these ingredients, it's best to avoid them or consult with a healthcare professional before consuming. 2. Medication interactions. Moringa and cloves may interact with certain medications. If you are taking any medications, especially blood thinners or diabetes medications, it's advisable to check with your healthcare provider before consuming moringa and cloves tea. 3. Digestive issues. In rare cases, moringa or cloves may cause digestive issues such as stomach upset, diarrhea, or nausea. If you experience any discomfort, it's best to stop consuming the tea and consult with a healthcare professional. 4. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, it's advisable to consult with your healthcare provider before consuming moringa and cloves tea. There is limited research available on the safety of these ingredients during pregnancy or breastfeeding. As with any herbal tea or supplement, it's always a good idea to consume them in moderation and be aware of your own body's response. If you have any concerns or existing medical conditions, it's best to seek advice from a healthcare professional.